Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install 1099K reconciliation using PayPal and Square data, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, gather your PayPal and Square transaction data. Log into your PayPal account. Navigate to the Reports section. Select Activity Download. Choose the date range for your 1099K reporting. Select the file type, preferably CSV or Excel. Click Download, and save the file on your computer. Next, log in to your Square account. Go to the Reports tab in the Square dashboard. Choose Sales Summary to view your transaction data. Select the date range corresponding to your 1099K reporting. Download the report in the preferred format, usually CSV. Save the Square report alongside your PayPal data. Now, open a spreadsheet application like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Import both CSV files into separate sheets in your spreadsheet. Ensure both sheets are formatted similarly for easier reconciliation. Identify the columns that include transaction date, amount, and fees. Create a new sheet for the reconciliation process. Copy the transaction amounts from both PayPal and Square sheets to the new sheet. Using formulas, compare the totals from both sources. Highlight any discrepancies between the two datasets. Investigate any mismatches by reviewing the original reports. Adjust any errors in the individual transactions if necessary. Once all discrepancies are resolved, sum up both the PayPal and Square totals. Confirm that the totals match your expected reporting amount. Finally, compile the finalized data into a new document for record keeping. This consolidated document will serve as your reference for 1099K reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.